Hello and welcome to Puzzle Masters product review. Today we will be taking a closer look at the Epic Puzzle. This puzzle was designed and made by Vinko or Václav Obshovac, famous Czech puzzle designer who creates amazing wooden puzzles. The Epic Puzzle has a difficulty level 10 out of 10 on a Puzzle Masters difficulty scale that runs from 5 to 10. And the goal of the puzzle is to fit all 6 plates inside of the frame. At a first glance, it looks totally impossible, since the frame looks quite small and there are too many plates to fit inside. But actually it is possible. If you try to arrange all the plates outside the frame, you will find the correct way how they are supposed to be inside, but then you have to find a correct sequence of moves how to put them inside. This puzzle has 6 parts. 5 of them are absolutely identical, but one of the parts is a little bit different. This one, as you can see, all 5 parts, they have this cube in one of the corners, but this piece, it has a cube not exactly in the corner, but it is shifted a little bit to the middle, and all together they are supposed to go inside of this beautifully made cage. This puzzle looks like a puzzle made by Vinko. He has this distinct style. You always can tell that this puzzle definitely belongs to Vinko. Very beautiful puzzles and very well made. If you like the Epic Puzzle and you want to buy it and try to solve it, go to puzzlemaster.ca. Thank you for watching. See you next time.